Motherfuckers want to ride on the motherfucking highway like they own it on these bikes. Stop all in front of you. So when one run out in front of you and you clock they dumb ass, then that's on them. People pulling over on the goddamn highway because they don't want to drive and be a part of this. People cutting out in front of them. These are what you call ignorant son of a bitches.
They got a place called Momo's up here that's supposed to be real good too. Right off Ladue Road. That car has stopped traffic right there. That makes no sense.
Stupid motherfucker. That Cadillac up there with they dumb ass.
That man stopping steering. They probably going all the way around a 40. Look at that, standing up on a bike. That is dangerous. That is a ticket. If an accident were to happen, he lose control. I mean, are you serious? This is the type of driving that causes all these accidents, or it contributes to it. They are very distracting. They need a police escort or something. Look at that guy over there with his stomach on the bike and his legs hanging off. I would have been to get off the highway if it was me driving. That Momo's over there, they got a good piece of salad, everything. They make it fresh or something, I heard.
Well, I said, pull the phone out and record it. So soon one of these dumb motherfuckers run out in front of me and I clock your dumb ass and you be sitting down at the morgue with that cold water and that embalming fluid pumping in you.
I mean, they just cutting in between vehicles.
Yeah.
It's like, boy.
Reckless organization. Reckless organization. Bad reckless organization. All followers, that's what they are. All of them followers.
I'll be glad when this highway ends.
You getting over? Come on, what the fuck you gonna do? You gonna get over? On the highway, dumbass boy pulled over on the highway on this side, take a chance of getting hit and clocked by some motherfucker who ain't paying attention like he ain't. These motherfuckers are retarded. And when it's like this, they deserve anything bad that's coming to them. They deserve it because they out of control. Cutting all in between cars. Soon as somebody come over there and switch a lane and hit they dumb ass.
Yeah, they are supposed to still obey road rules, regardless.
He finna hit that motherfucker.
Damn it!
Look at this damn dummy. See, that's what I mean. Motherfucker just jumped right in front of you. That's what I mean.
Glad that car is back further enough.
Exactly.
Let's hurry and get off this highway. This don't make no sense. I'm not paying for somebody else's negligence.
Can't fix stupid. Nothing you can do but just get off the highway when it's like this. These motherfuckers stupid. I mean, that's just what they are. Bunch of fools is what they are.
That car just got the car in the back end off.
If I'd have been in my car, that boy would have been hit. This front end shorter.
I mean, this is illegal driving.
Look at him, he just stopped right there and blocked it.
He's stopping to let the motorcycles through. He's holding traffic to let the motorcycles through. This cannot be legal.
They get there and believe me, them the same people love that will drive that bike out of control and clock something or some motherfucker clock them. The same goddamn people. They the same people.
Oh my God.
They'll get it. That's why I say record it. Anybody that hit these dumb motherfuckers is not wrong. And I guarantee you a bunch of people got their camera phones out. Guarantee you.
And 40 gonna be a mess. I think they going down 40.
Fucking clock they dumb ass.
That car, see, he got over. Can't even get off the highway because they just keep cutting in front. Oh man, don't tell me they getting off. Where are they going? I'm trying to go in the opposite direction of where they going. We getting off here. But see, they keep coming and cutting. I mean, that's what I'm saying. They all on the side. You can't even get off the highway because they just. Yeah, they probably going towards the city.
They going around 40.
Yeah, they finna get hit. They cutting people. They cutting over in front of people that's trying to get off.
Look, they stupid. Look at this girl right here behind you. Look. Stupid. Fuck they dumb ass and they do.
She on the front.
Fuck your dumb
Where the
ass
fucking police
and
at? That's what I don't understand. This is a lot of illegal riding. They ain't got no helmets on. It's illegal. That's just like not riding with a seatbelt on.